So today I'm going to teach Dad a lesson and taking what doesn't belong to you. You don't take things that don't belong to you. And that includes Taco Bell that is brought to your house. How am I going to teach him a lesson? Well, simple. I'm going to tell him he can't have any. He's probably going to take it anyway because that's what he does. Only he's not going to realize it's loaded with cat food. This is the cat food burrito.
Oh, this is going to be sick. Oh, this is gross. At least it's really good.
Don't you know better than to take what doesn't belong to you, Dad? Today will be a beef and bean burrito.
Ew.
Or a pate and bean burrito.
Oh, God.
This probably looks like bean dip.
I know.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it stinks.
Yeah, it does.
God, you again?
What's up, Pop? Just came over to hang out.
Why? What you got?
Taco Bell. It ain't breakfast either. It's burritos and shit.
Well, goddamn, you bring me anything?
You don't want none of that.
Oh, y'all bring y'all food, but you don't bring me nothing.
You don't want any of this.
How the hell you know I don't want any?
Dude, the meat, like, I don't know, it's just like cat food or something.
Yeah, that's because of Taco Bell, man. Goddamn. Give me one.
Nah, you don't want it.
Give me a goddamn...
I'm telling you, it's disgusting. It tastes like cat food.
Give me one!
Whatever, dude.
Damn it. I'm hungry. Well, goddamn, it's cold.
It ain't that cold.
It's still warm.
You like the soft tacos, don't you?
Alright. Pretty good. God damn.
Woo!
Now that's where you heat them up. Damn. Why do you film me eating this shit?
Because I'm doing a daily vlog.
Damn. Oh.
Jesus, you want another?
Not a good taco.
You want another one?
Oh my God.
We got plenty more in here if you're still hungry.
Damn right. I ain't even heard none. Give me one. Give me a little goddamn.
Are you sure you want to eat it?
Damn right. What the fuck, Michael?
What's wrong with it?
What the fuck is this shit? What is this shit, Michael?
What do you mean?
Ugh.
It's Taco Bell. What's wrong? What's wrong with it? I mean, I don't get it. What
is that? What kind of meat is that?
It's meat.
What kind of meat is that? I gotta be where, Michael!
What?
It's pork.
What is it?
I guess that...
God!
Well, the verdict's in. Dad does not like the new Taco Bell pork taco.
Think you need a goddamn pork taco taco to the goddamn Taco Bell ass! Nasty goddamn Taco Bell! You cooking them goddamn pork shit! Then fuck you! You made me sick! I need to taste the real one. Give me a taste of a real one.
Yeah, this is the bean burrito supreme.
Damn, that I
Those
like.
are so good.
They are good.
Milds.
Don't give me another. I like too much. I like loading my motherfucker up. Ooh, that looks good. I like plenty of sauce. Now that looks good. Yeah, doggy. Oh shit, it's all coming out my goddamn. Where the fucking start?
This is the extra beanie one.
God damn, man, they load that motherfucker. What the fuck?
I can smell it.
What the? Ah, God!
Oh, it looks like a diaper. Hey, Bridget,
What?
come look at this.
Oh my God, it does.
Oh my.
Look like baby caca.
This is disgusting.
Bridget, I told you when we added that cat food to the burrito, it was gonna look.
You what?
It's cat food.
Motherfucker!
What am I supposed to do?
I'll kill you, goddamn pussy!
I warned you.
I hate you. Where's that goddamn? Do I look like a goddamn cat? Do I look like a goddamn? I don't purr, you motherfucker! I don't purr!
I thought you would like it.
Feed me goddamn cat food! I don't eat goddamn cat food!
Ah!
I don't eat the goddamn cat! I don't eat it! I don't eat it! I don't eat it! You fucking... And what is this? That's no wonder! That wasn't no goddamn pork shit! That was goddamn cat food too!
There was both cat food in both of them.
Goddamn cat food! Motherfucker!
Oh, it stinks.
Oh, goddamn! Hey, Michael! You give me cat food, guess what? I'll give you goddamn...
Oh my fucking God!
I gotta take it for you, Michael! Bridget! Come here, Michael! Come on, Michael!
I'm sorry.
Mr. Viper wants to meet your ass!
I'm sorry.
Mr. Whips, yeah, I know she's hiding here somewhere. Come and get your woman, Michael! He will take up for you!